Hi friends, today let us see how to make a decision based on descriptive information. The variable description is based on different ways that may be mean, median, mode, standard deviation, coefficient of variance, skewness. Mean is the representative of given data set. Median is mid value if the data set is added either in descending or ascending. Mode is value that occurs frequently. Standard deviation is a measure of variation. It is the value how far it is deviates from its mean. Coefficient of variance, measure of relative variance. It is a ratio measurement. Skewness, it will show the level of normality, whether the distribution is skewed or not. Let us see how to evaluate with the help of descriptive information of efficiency and consistency. Let us consider this example. Runs scored by cricket players, namely Sachin and Dravid. They played in different cities like Chennai, Madurai, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli and Trichy. Sachin scored 110 in Chennai, whereas David scored only 40. In Coimbatore, David scored 30, whereas Sachin scored only 5. So, the Sachin and Dravid has the different runs in different places. Let us find out their efficiency and consistency. To find out this efficiency and consistency, we are going to use descriptive aspects of mean, standard deviation and coefficient of variance. To find out the efficiency, the total or average will support. The player who scored the highest run is considered as an efficient player. In this case, Sachin scored 240, whereas Dravid scored only 190. So the highest score scored by Sachin is considered to be an efficient one. And second question is consistency. To find out the consistency in their playing ability, the variation is measured. So the coefficient of variation is the measure for this. There is a thumb: the more the variation, the less the consistency. The Sachin has more coefficient of variation, that is 92.17%. Dravid has 27.28%. So as per the thumb, Sachin has less consistency than Dravid. Another scenario for using descriptive information to find out the direction of concentration. It is very different and it is very useful for decision making. To find out the economic conditions of people, we consider two districts like Theni and Madurai in Tamil Nadu. We took 8 respondents and their income from both the districts. The total income of Theni and Madurai district is 880. Average income also remained the same, that is 110. Now we have to find out which district's economic condition is better. How can we find out? because total and average are equal. So let us go to use other descriptive information, that is skewness, with the help of mode. In Thani district, mode is 100, that is repeated in 3 times. The respondent 4, 5 and 6 income is 100. In Madurai district, the income 120 is 3 times, but the score, the mode is higher in Madurai, and we find out skewness. Thani district has 1.16 and Madurai district minus 1.1. In Thani district, the skewness is positive, which means more number of persons earn less than the average income of that district. In Madurai district, the skewness is negative, that is minus 0.22. That means more number of persons earning more than the average income of the district. Let us conclude that the economic condition of Madurai district is higher than that of Thani district. And third scenario, a company has labor union and the management comes with a proposal. They are going to reduce the number of employees in the labor union. For that, they are giving the following information. Existing or before the proposal, the number of workers is 2400. After this proposal, there will be 2350. Mean wages is 45.5. In after the proposal, it will be 47.5. In this case, the mean wage is going to increase and the number of workers is decreased by 50, and median wages is also reduced to 45.5 from 48.5. Standard deviation is also reducing from 12 to 10. Now we are asked to find out the total wage paid by the management. To examine the extent of inequality in the wage payment among the workers, and we have to find out whether more number of workers getting above or below average salary. Let us calculate the total wages. Before the settlement, it was 1,09,200. After the settlement, 1,11,625. It shows after settlement is higher than the before settlement. And let us move to next analysis, that is coefficient of variations. Before settlement, it was 26.37%. After settlement, it will be 21.05%. This also shows less the variation, more the consistency. So more number of people supposed to get more. But when we go to the further analysis of coefficient of skewness, we have found out some remarkable difference from our assumption based on coefficient of variation and total wages. Before settlement, it was minus 0.625, and after settlement, skewness will be 0.750. As we studied in previous slide, if the skewness is minus, the more number of people are getting more salary than the average. So in this case, even though the total salary is increased to 1,11,625 from 1,09,200, before settlement only, the more number of people were getting more salary than the average salary. So the skewness is very useful tool to find out in-depth analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.